We are going to make fresh organic pizza sauce for my last garden harvest. Let's get right into the ingredients that you'll need for your pizza sauce. Today I have JULIET tomatoes that I picked fresh from my garden. You could also use ROMA tomatoes. You're also going to need some basil, fresh basil from my garden. I'm going to throw in a little bit of oregano to give it a little pop. You're also going to need some garlic, some olive oil, kosher salt, and some black pepper. And that is it. Very simple for your pizza sauce. Let's get right into it. So what we're doing is we are boiling our tomatoes for about 3 minutes until you start to see the tomatoes wrinkle a little bit, and then we'll go ahead and take them out. Okay, so it's been about 3 to 5 minutes, and you want your tomatoes to look a little like this, a little wrinkly, a little open. Time to pop them off the stove. So we went ahead and rinsed our tomatoes quickly. At this point, you want to go ahead and see if there's hard ends on your tomatoes and go ahead and cut those off before we continue on to the next process, okay? Any backs of the tomatoes that are hard, you want to go ahead and just cut them off and put the rest in the bowl. Easy, easy. It might be a little hot. You can wait for them to cool down if you'd like. Okay, so I did wait until the tomatoes cooled a little bit more just to get the skins off because they were pretty hot. So the skins should come right off, and just toss them in another bowl. They're nice and cool now. And we're not going to use the skins in this recipe. You want all of the nice smoothness of your tomatoes. You don't want anything hard in your pizza sauce, your organic pizza sauce. You almost got everything. Let's see. Yep, that looks good. Alright, so here I've got about 2 cups of tomatoes, and our eye is on medium-low. And we're going to let these boil up for about 10 to 15 minutes. We're going to add a pinch of salt and let those cook down. So our tomato sauce is starting to boil. That is a good sign. When it starts to calm down a little bit on the boiling, that's when it's ready. All right. Okay, so we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to our pan. All right. And then about a tablespoon of garlic to your olive oil, and let that go on and cook up. You don't want to burn it, you just want it to cook down those flavors. So we're going to leave it in the pan for about a minute, and then you can go ahead and take it out. So we've got 2 pans going here. So that looks about good. Go ahead and pour your garlic into your pizza sauce. Alright. Yummy, yummy. To our sauce, we're going to add 2 pinches of salt and 2 pinches of pepper. Stir until well combined. So here we've got a cup of pizza sauce. We're gonna go ahead and add 2 basil leaves. So I'm just gonna cut those up into our sauce. Quick and easy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And I'm also going to add some fresh oregano from the garden. These herbs are from the garden. So convenient. Got one more little leaf. Okay. Pop this into our Ninja, give it a nice blend, come back. And just press down a few times. You don't want it to be too soupy. All right, let's see what we've got. You think that's a good consistency?
Let's do it one more time.
Okay. We're gonna do 3 pulses. All right.
That'll do it.
That'll do it. So we have our beautiful pizza sauce. It came out so good. It is perfect. It's gonna be delicious on our pizza. We have our pizza toppings, fresh green onions, jalapeno peppers, banana peppers, olives, mushrooms, bell peppers, and cheese. Whoop, it's time. We're gonna get to making our pizzas with our organic pizza sauce. I'm so excited. My mom's here. She's been helping me out through this video. As you guys know, I got this big old stomach, so thank you for helping me. Are you gonna, what are you gonna eat on your side?
Everything except the mushrooms.
Let's put some pizza sauce on here first. Put a little pizza sauce all over. Ooh. Oh, this reminds me of when we were little. We used to always make homemade pizzas on this same countertop.
30 years ago.
30 years ago. So that's really special. Yeah.
And now I'm doing it with the grandchildren.
Yep. And I think we're gonna just have just enough pizza sauce. This made about 1 cup from our little garden harvest.
It's perfect. I don't eat a lot of sauce on my pizza.
Okay. And I think that should be enough.
Use it all.
All of it? Okay, she said get it all in there.
Use it all. I used to work in a pizza shop.
Did you?
As a teenager.
What? See what pops up when you're... They don't even be telling us this stuff.
My very first job
was
in a pizza shop.
That's cool.
All right.
Okay, so let's put our toppings.
Yes, this is a veggie pizza.
Yes. Just veggies. I love mushrooms. Granny loves mushrooms. We're going to do it for Granny today.
Let's do this for Mom, huh? And I love bell pepper.
Ooh, look at yours. Looking like the rainbow.
Ooh.
They say eat the rainbow.
All right. I love bell pepper.
I love me some banana peppers. I will eat these straight out the jar. I'm gonna use all of these. cheese, olives. Oh, you got your olives on there already.
I do.
This is so yummy. Ooh, look at mom's side. My side look all plain.
You need to do something with that side of it.
I might have to throw some green onion on there, sprinkle a little tiny bit. Give me some greenery. Well, that one.
You know what? I might do a little bit of jalapeno. I know I shouldn't. I shouldn't do this, y'all.
That's a good idea.
I shouldn't do this.
Me either. I'm gonna be hurt.
I'm gonna pay for it later. But we gonna do this. We gonna do it.
Okay.
You gonna put some stuff in the middle? Is that too much for you?
You can put some more.
A little bit. Okay. Put a little mushroom through there. Fill it. Okay.
Okay.
Excellent. Looks delicious.
Wow.
All right.
And how long are we gonna put this in the oven?
About 15 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. One more cut. There you go.
Okay.
All right.
This is juice. Don't be alarmed. My mom's is wine. Pizza cheers.
Boom.
Boom. Mmm.
Mm.
Sauce is on point. It just blends in good with the ingredients, the toppings.
Perfect.
All right, Royals, so that wraps up this video. I hope that you enjoyed making pizza sauce and making a pizza with me and my mom. And I will see you in my next video.